every time I look back on those days, sobrang happy memory siya sa akin. His first team was Ginebra. I was maybe 2 years old or 3 years old nung stint niya na yun with Ginebra. Actually, people assume that my dad put basketball into me. That's not what happened. Ako talaga yung gumusto ng basketball. I was 3 years old. Usually, I'd watch his games. Naka-ano pa ako noon, lagi pa ako naka-braids. Para ako anak ng import. Naka-braids, naka-white headband. The same type na ginagamit ko ngayon pag naglalaro. Yung white headband na makapal. Naka-full Ginebra jersey, naka-end ones. Ganun ko panoorin yung dad ko. So, baby pa lang ako talagang sa basketball na ako.
Baller ng peg mo.
Yun yung peg ko.
Pero yung big pilit, no?
Ha?
Ikaw talaga yun.
Ako talaga yun. Kumbaga, I was 3. So, kung anong papasot sa akin ng mami ko, susutin ko eh. But, one day, biglang yung yaya namin, she had an emergency sa province niya. And then, my mom was pregnant with my younger sister. So, she had to, I think she had to check up or something. Walang magbabantay sa akin sa bahay. And my dad had practice. So, he had to take me with him to Ginebra practice what's happening.
Yeah, usually that happens.
He had to take me with him to his practice with Ginebra. So I joined him and I was watching intently. He told me na buong practice, parang I was in awe with everything I was seeing. I was 3. I was really tiny child. So I was watching everything, being in awe, amazed. And I remember thinking to myself, I'd pick up a ball after practice and try to copy what they're doing. They were all trying to put the ball in the net, diba? Ganun yung goal eh. So after practice, pumulot ako ng bola, yung standard PBA na bola. At hagis lang ako ng hagis hanggang sa nakashoot ako.
Wow.
So I used to shoot like that, yung dalawang kamay na persado. Until nakashoot ako. Tapos nakita yun ng daddy ko. Hanggang ngayon, nakikipagpustahan na ako, nandaraw ako sa kanya na, Daddy, pag nakashoot ako ng 5, bibilan mo ako ng ice cream mamaya sa McDo or ganyan.
As you grew older, yan yung mga...
Since that day, palagi na ako sumasama sa kanya sa practice.
Wow.
Yun. Doon nag-start yung pagmamahal ko sa basketball. It wasn't forced into me. It wasn't spoon-fed. Wala.
So,
ako talaga.
Meant to be na si Yaya wala and then si Mami.
Spoon.
Oo.
Hindi kailangang Clutch ang panunood. Head on over to Clutch Talks on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts for the full episode. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe on Clutch Talk social na rin para hindi mahuli sa Usapang Clutch.